We are MowX, and our goal is to give you more free time by accelerating the automation of tedious tasks. 80 million Americans spend an average of 70 hours per year on lawn maintenance. Since 25% of the U.S. population owns for and cares for their lawns, that means 5.6 billion hours are lost every year due to lawn maintenance. Hiring a gardener isn't really an option either, since they charge $25 per hour on average, and most lawns need to be mowed weekly, bringing the yearly cost to about $1,300. We believe an automatic gas lawnmower would solve all of these problems. It would cut your lawn maintenance time down to minutes, relieve the strain of pushing a lawnmower around for hours each year. This especially helps older homeowners. And it has the same yearly expense of a push lawnmower since they're both working off a gas engine. Automatic lawnmower would use a gasoline engine to spin the blade at high rotations per minute and act as a generator to power the onboard processors and sensors. One would use a smartphone app to control the lawnmower and create a map of their lawn based on the path they take. This method gives the power to the user to map what the lawnmower should and shouldn't cut based on personal preferences. After they initialize the map, the user can change how often they would like their lawn to be mowed. Thus, maintenance time would be cut down to a few minutes per year. There have been attempts to make automowers in the past, all of which are electrically based, expensive, and lacking in basic features. We're going to do a stack up comparing our mower to high and low end mowers on the market. High-end mowers are $2,000 to $5,000 and low-end are $500 to $800. Both high and low-end cannot pick up lawn clippings, which results in dead grass, or cut tall grass. They can only trim. Our mower will have an engine powerful enough to create the vacuum necessary to transfer grass into a bag, as well as cut tall grass. Also, both high and low-end lawnmowers cannot cut in straight lines, which results in ugly lawns. We will make it a focused implement software that cuts in straight lines. Additionally, most of these lawnmowers cannot cut the national average lawn size. They can't cut in the rain. They need guide wire installation. We'll make the aforementioned phone app to allow the user to make a virtual map of their lawn, thus giving them control over what gets mowed. Finally, most high-end lawnmowers tend to be very complicated and hard to understand, with long mandatory manuals of up to 90 pages. We will aim to make our lawnmower easy enough for anyone to set up and use. We believe most customers will come from the Midwest and East Coast demographics since they will have the most rainfall and largest lawn areas in the country. To build a user base, it would be best to create a Kickstarter. As of now, in our stage of development, we've been able to create an app that can turn the lawnmower on and off remotely via Bluetooth. We are looking to further develop a movement system, algorithms that would calculate the area based on perimeter, algorithms that would tell the lawnmower to cut in straight lines, as well as develop a mechanical system that allows the lawnmower to generate power from its pre-made engine. When this automower is fully developed and in everyone's home, 5.6 billion hours will be returned to the American people. This is one less chore you will need to do on the weekend, freeing your time to sleep in, see family, or dedicate yourself to hobbies. We have most of the equipment needed as is. However, if awarded, we would use the additional funds to purchase better motors, as well as an engine generator friction pulley. The end goal for revenue generation will come from selling the automower at all major retailers. To start, we would like to raise seed funding from either Kickstarter or an angel investor. Thank you for taking the time and dedication to watch our video and consider our application.